questions in strings. The concept is vast and many more questions are there in strings. So I will start with one entry question, that is, I want to compare two strings whether they are same or not. Like if I take bat, the other string is also bat, then they are said to be same, else they are not same. How to write a program on that? And first let me write a program in that I create one entry question internally in that program. Then we will come back to that entry question, that theory. First we will go with application to compare two strings. So you know double is equal to can be called as comparison operator. Double is equal to operator can be called as comparison operator. So will it work? Let me check. So it will give unexpected results. We will see that with a program. So let me take one class, string demo 2. I think we have done with 1 and 2. Only one is done. Yeah. String demo 2. Let me go with the main method. So in that, let me initialize one string here. You can take any way of doing, any style, like string literal or using new operator. Never mind, anything is okay. So I will go with string literal. Initially I take mat, and let me go with another string str2. This I go with the new operator intentionally, because this object is different from this object, is it not? Because this is str1, this is, of course, this is string literal. Obviously it will be stored in string constant pool, whereas in this way, if you do, it gets stored in heap, separate memory location heap. So one in heap, the other one in string constant pool. Same that. Let me check whether they are same or not. So if I do like this, naturally we think that double is equal to is a comparison operator. They are going to get compared, but really here it gives some other result. Why? I will explain. See what I'm doing. We get tempted to write like this, but this is not correct. This will give odd result. Why? I will explain. Some surprise results you are going to get with this. It's going to surprise you. Strings are, if they are same, obviously we write strings are same. Else strings are not same. Simple if else I'm going with. If you write only one statement, even braces are not required, right? Please remember that point. So inside if, the condition will be tested, and this is a relational operator. Double is equal to comparison operator, otherwise you can also call it as comparison operator. You are going to compare a couple of strings whether they are equal or not. So if they are equal, if it is true, you'll get strings are same. Actually they are same, but you are going to get they are unequal. Why? I will explain. See here, I write strings are unequal. Strings are not same. Otherwise strings are unequal. Strings are not same. So you may think in one way, but you are surprised with another answer. So what is the answer for this? Your expectation? Natural tendency is you may expect this. Sorry for that. This you may expect this, right? If you are not having awareness with Java, good awareness with Java, then you may expect this. Yes or no? Strings are same, na? Bat, but you end up with strings are not same. See, I'm going to save this first of all. Let me save this. string demo2 dot java, and then let me run this. Here is this. Let us type cmd here, hit enter. Yeah. So now java c space demo2 dot java, compiled, dot class file will be created, bytecode will be generated. Yes, now JVM starts execution from the opening brace of main method. Right. Now see the output. Strings are not same. You'll get surprised with this result, is it not? So now the integration comes. There is a, you cannot use double is equal to method actually, because double is equal to is not going to compare two strings. That is the important point here. Double is equal to will not compare whether the strings are same or not. It is going to compare their hash codes. Will compare string hash codes. Hash code is nothing but just like address. Okay, just like address. Every object will be having unique address. We'll compare string hash code. You can use a method called as hash code method to get hash code. Okay, string hash codes are compared. Simply to say, string hash codes are compared. Whether we will use later on. So double is equal to is a comparison operator. Will compare string hash code, strings hash code, string hash codes. Strings, let me write plural form. Strings hash codes are compared. Is a comparison operator. Comparison. Mapping operators also simultaneously. See. So double is equal to is a comparison operator. Will compare strings hash code, and no two strings will be having unique address here, because one is string literal getting stored in string constant pool, and the other one is using new operator being stored in heap. So their hash codes naturally is different. That's why you can get strings are not same. Okay. Now, how do you compare whether two strings are same or not? There is a method in Java. There is a predefined method. Java is full of n number of so many predefined methods, classes, whatnot, variables like that. So, if you want to compare whether two strings are equal or not, let me go in another way. That is, if there is a method str1 dot compare. I think the method is compare, I believe. Let me check. Compare, yeah. See, compare. Compare. Let me check. String compare. strcmp is used in C. Okay. And compare or compare. String compare. No, string compare. No. Compare. Let me check. If it doesn't work, I will search it out. Compare. The other one, str2. Compare. Yeah. We'll check this. So I will copy same code here. Let me copy whatever I have written earlier, right from here to one. Sorry, these things. Let me copy. Compare to, I think. Compare to or compare. I'm getting doubt. As I forget. Right. So let us save the program. Already saved, I think. Let me add save like that. So second part, it is going to compare whether two strings are same or not. Here two strings are checked whether they are same or not. Same statement, what I can write is is a comparison, is not a comparison operator. Will compare two strings whether same or not. Compare, that method will compare whether two strings are same or not. Same or not. Not their hash codes, but strings themselves will be compared here. Right. Save this and try to execute this. Give error if that method is not correct. Yeah, that is a problem. I forgot that method name. I think it is compare to compare to. I think. Let me check one more time. I try with that. Compare to maybe this. Just a minute. Oh, just 1 second. Let me check one. I forgot this method really. Long time I forgot this. Yeah. Comparison. This. Okay, right. What is that method? What is that? Compare to is there, yeah. Compare to. Oh, sorry. Equals. Oh, I got it. Equals. Equals is the method. Sorry for that. It's an entry question. I forgot this method. Yes, I'm dealing with C in college and I forgot all of a sudden. Equals, right. Equals is the method. Sorry for that. Now I got back. Now you'll get, it will get sure. Again, problem. Oh, here str. What is that? 2. I forgot writing 2 there. Right. Yeah. So, see. First output, first display message is strings are not same. Second time, strings are same. Why? First part of the code is this portion. Got it? We got strings are not same because double is equal to is a comparison operator that is going to compare strings hash code, and every string object will be having a unique hash code. On the other hand, next part of the code, actually strings are compared here by using equals method. Equals is a predefined method. So both the strings are compared whether they are same or not. Fortunately, they are same. Bat. So strings are compared here. That's what I have written here as a comment. Two strings are compared whether they are same or not, but not their hash codes. That's why you got output as strings are same. Second time you got strings are same. This time I will take another string. See the difference. String str3 to tell the answer. I will change that string. See what I'm doing. I'm taking BAT. Now tell me, if I use same logic one more time, str1 and str3, I'm going to compare this time. See, copy, paste, delete this, comment no more required. If str1 equals str3 this time, right? Strings are same, else strings are not same. Now tell me, what is the third display statement which will work? Strings are same or strings are not same? String 1 is compared with, see here, str1 equals str3. What is the output?
Things are same, sir.
Things are same or not same?
Same, sir.
No. See here, capital B is there. Here,
Uh,
small b is there. Strings are not same.
not
Yeah. But how to make them same, I will show you. One technique is there, I will show you. Wait. Compile and again execute this. Right. See the third statement especially. You got it? Strings are not same. Why? Here B capital letter that made the difference. But if you ignore this case, then is it okay or not? Yes. Equals ignore case. There is a method called as equals ignore case. Ignore the case. See, method names how simple it is. See, Java is simple, just like Java is simple, their methods are also simple. Very simple methods. I might have forgotten here, but really, truly, the method is very easy to remember. Equals. equals ignore case. Don't bother about the case, is it not? I'll do one thing. Uh, str1, str. I will do one thing. I won't change here. I will add one more statement, one more fourth statement I will add where I am going to change that logic. Changes, I add the method equals plural form. Ignore. I told you generally method names second word onwards they start with capital letters. Majority cases method names will be like that. Equals ignore case. Here no, here just equals only. Here equals ignore case. C capital, I capital. If you write small I, small c, it won't come again. It will show you error. No such method found. It will show you exception. In exception handling, we will see that. If you write a wrong one, it will show no such method name found. So it's a predefined one. And generally for predefined methods, majority methods, 95%, from second word onwards, they start with capital letter. Third word also starts with capital. Any words, whichever word you get from second onwards, they will get started with a capital letter. Okay. Majority cases, not every time. Again, I am telling you, 95% it will be like that. So str1 again is compared with str3. This time we can ignore the case, whether small or cap, never mind. They are the same. You can get the, I believe this is which output, which statement, first combination, second, third, fourth combination. In fourth combination, you can expect strings are same because even the case, don't bother about case, ignore that. Got it? Strings are same. So the main point is, okay, these little things you can understand, but what is the difference between double is equal to and equals method? That is important. Double is equal to versus equals. Generally, a fresher can be asked with these kind of questions. Equals method. What is the difference? Yes. Double is equal to is a comparison operator. Use it to compare two strings. I mean, a string hash codes, not two strings. Is a comparison operator will compare strings hash code. Strings hash codes are compared. Strings hash codes are compared here. So we should make answer like this. What about the other one? Equals. Equals is a method. Equals method is used to compare strings, not hash codes. Two strings here. Strings whether same or not. This is one entry question, famous entry question. And then we will do some miscellaneous questions. Then again, I will go with an entry question. Here and there, I will add some entry questions, right? Now, let me go with some methods here. I will do another program. It looks clumsy. That's why. Let me go with another one. I will take one string, string demo 3. You understood this program? Previous program? Any problem? Please immediately raise your voice if any problem is there. So here is third one. Let me take this string and I want to convert this string into uppercase. Very simple methods. We can complete that in no time. I want to convert this to uppercase. Which string? str1. str1. str not to uppercase. Is uppercase is also there. Don't write is uppercase because that method is also there. The purpose is different. Is uppercase means is uppercase will return a boolean value, true or false, whereas to uppercase will convert the given string into uppercase. It is single character or double character, small case is there. or entire all the set of characters. It may be, see, when you are writing a string, single character can be uppercase, or multiple characters can be uppercase, or all the characters may be in lowercase, whatever it is. If you use to uppercase method, it is getting converted totally to uppercase. This method will convert back to, I mean, the output is something like this, you can expect, right? Even if you take like this also, even if you take like this also, no issue, you will get output like this. Let me take all small anyways, and let me take one more string. You can take any style anyway, it's not a concern here. So we can easily write this. I'm taking this. That's it. Let me take cat this time, and all the letters are in caps. C-A-T, right. And now let me go with two lowercase. And one more thing, as I told earlier, there is yet another method by name is uppercase as well. Is uppercase. I will go with is uppercase this time. See here. In place of 2, I am writing is. It returns a Boolean value. Boolean means either true or false. See how much difference between these methods. And moreover, simple English, and you can easily understand these methods forever. To uppercase will convert to uppercase. Is uppercase will return a Boolean value. Whether is it really in uppercase or small case. Of course, let me take str2 for that matter. STR2 is in uppercase or lowercase? Tell me. STR2 is in uppercase.
uppercase.
True, na? True. The output should be true. Output should be true. Right. Now, another question. If I go with STR1, tell me. Tell me. What is there in STR1? Tell me. Lowercase or uppercase? This is their interview
Lower,
question again. Somebody may ask a tricky question. STR1 is small case or it is converted here to uppercase, na?
yes, sir.
What is your answer? Sorry, not to uppercase. Here, let me write is uppercase. Right, is uppercase. Tell me, Boolean
Lower
value.
case, sir. Lower
Lower or
case.
upper? See, str1. You are testing which string? Str1. Is uppercase will return either true or false.
False.
Tell me true or false.
False.
False. Is uppercase? False. But you have converted str1 na? Here.
Yes,
str1 is
sir.
converted into uppercase. Now what is the result
Yes.
here? Bad. But I don't know whether knowingly you told or unknowingly you told. I believe that you told unknowingly, but your answer is correct. Here it is false. I don't know whether you know that or you don't know that. I still believe that you unknowingly told that. The thing is that you strongly stick to this portion. I believe, right?
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
But that is correct. Because whatever there is an interview question, actually I'll discuss later on with some other example. So str1 is converted into uppercase, but actually str1 is not converted. Str1 is of type string will not do that. There is a method. I will discuss. Wait for for a little time. Be patient, I will discuss that. Till then, we will complete this first of all. And what about that lowercase? We will try str2 conversion into lowercase, right? 2, let me add lower here to lowercase. Now what is the output here? So str2 all are in capital letters. It will be converted into cat all in small letters, right? So that is the end. Let us check the results, then slowly I will add that into a question. String demo 3, string demo 3 dot java. Let me run this. Do we get desired output or not? Oh, these many mistakes. Why? What happened? Oh, C small letter. You should be careful, right? C capital. Here also C capital. I told na. Here also C capital. Here also C capital. Every method from second word onwards, majority, not every, 95% methods will be like that only. Now let us run this, you'll get it. Still mistakes. What is that? str1 dot is uppercase. Is uppercase is not working on string, it seems. str2 dot is upper, only is not working. Is uppercase is not working. I think I have to go with the, it won't show like that. It should be stored somewhere. Wait, I will do in another way. If it fails, okay. I think it is not applicable on string. You have to take a wrapper class maybe. Let me check once. Let me check. I never tried this before. Let me check that. When it is not able to display like that, you can try it another way. String str3 is equal, it returns boolean value, na? Then obviously you have to take a boolean type of data. Say t is equal to, you can add, I think str dot, we should not write str is uppercase within bracket. No, it should not work like that. str2 dot, let me check if it is coming fine. It is okay, otherwise it may not be applicable. str2 is uppercase. Yeah, it, whatever boolean value you are going to get, it is stored in t, and you can write simply t here. And is uppercase here. I'll put a comment. If it works, then I will try for this also. Right. Any change? I don't think it is going to work. Still the same mistake, I believe. Yes. What is that? Semicolon expected. I missed semicolon somewhere. Is uppercase. Semicolon. It is saying semicolon. Where I missed semicolon? String demo 3, everything okay. Bat, cat, stro, that is okay. Everything is okay. Why it is saying semicolon missing? Where semicolon missing? Only here only it is showing mistake. Let me check once. I'll put comment here also. Will it work? Check once. So only in those two lines problem is there. Yeah, it is working. So somewhere problem is there with this. Only that line problem is there. Wait to test. Yeah. Couple of closing. I used a couple of times this bracket. That's why it did not work. Actually, it should come in the other way also. Both are correct. Yeah, that is a problem. I did not notice that. Yes, I didn't notice that. Maybe that. It should run at least. Oh no, it's not working really. So cannot find symbol. Is uppercase. It is unable to find. Is uppercase. It is unable to find. It seems. What is the error it is showing? str method is uppercase. I cannot recognize. Okay. You cannot use uppercase in this case. That is a different story. I will discuss this during wrapper classes. So it is too early to discuss here. In wrapper classes, I will discuss. I thought it will work, but it is not working. Only in wrapper classes, I had to use that, it seems. Okay, later on, I will discuss that. Don't worry. Check that. In wrapper classes, I will design that program. Maybe with string, it is not working. I think, yeah, string buffer, it will work. Wait, just 1 second. If you can give me now itself, I will tell you. String string buffer is also like string class. Later on, I will discuss that. New string buffer and the string builder classes are there. Maybe some classes won't support. That's why I'm going with string buffer. Let me check this time if it works. Okay, fine. So what is that? String. I'm going to take say all in capital letters. Fine. Let me try for this str3. Let me name it as str3. Right. Now what I want to do is str3 is uppercase. Yes, it is uppercase. It should return true. For that it work. Only these two, no problem. Two uppercase, two lowercase are working fine. Only problem is this. Let me check now. str3 dot is uppercase, right? Maybe. Oh no. Is uppercase problem is there. Whether is uppercase is not working. Okay, is uppercase, you leave it to me. I will discuss at some point of time. It is not working. Let me check the API about that. Okay, so two uppercase, two lowercase, no issue at all. They are working fine. Two uppercase is working, two lowercase is working. This part is okay. Right. Now let us execute this. Both will work fine. Bat and bat, yeah. So I applied on same string again. str1 dot two lowercase. Wait, I will do one thing. I have to convert str2 into lowercase. Now you'll get bat and B8 capitals you'll get, and the small letters here you'll get. Right. Let us run this again. Compile this and run this. Yes, you got it. Yes, you can check and compare the output. BAT bat, CAT cat. They are just reversed. Their case is reversed. Case is reversed now. Yes, they are working fine. But I reversed str2. My next question is going to be see this. Not at all this, but see what I'm doing. I want to see what is there in str1 and what is there in str2. You tell last two statements output. Let me check. Tell me what is the output for last two statements. Tell me. What shall I write here? Hmm?
Lowercase bat, sir.
Lowercase bat you are saying. Oh, right. You are right. That's what I'm telling you. Knowingly or unknowingly, you are telling correct answer. And str2?
Uppercase cat.
That is 100% correct. Let's check. Let us test this. String demo. You had again compile because you have modified that. Yes, 100% correct. You told, but I don't know whether you knowingly told that or unknowingly, because you stick it up to this task only. Both the times you stick it up because these are the basic initializations. But afterwards, my question is, you converted str1 to uppercase, means str1 should become bat now. But why you are getting small letter bat, not capital lettered bat? Hmm? In the second case also, answer may be correct, but the question is str2 initially is all in capital letters. Later on, you converted that string to lowercase. Means str2 became small case cat. But still, if I try to put str2, it is showing capital letters. Old one. Why? Now here lies an entry question. Not only this, I will show you one more simple example in this program. Then I will discuss about that entry question. See, str3 is equal to, let me take one string, Hyderabad. Let me take another string. str4 is equal to bad. Bad. Right. Now, let me join these two strings. There is a method called as concatenate. Concat, I believe. Let me check. System dot str3. I want to join str3 dot method name is concat. Concat is the method. I want to join that with str4. Okay. Concat. Concat means joining. First string str3, that is Hydra, is joined with str4, that is bad. So afterwards, if I again attempt to display str4, what is the output? Or str3, what is the output? If I say str3, so what is there in str3? Now you tell the answer. str3 is joined with str4 and you are ending up with Hyderabad here.
Hyderabad.
But again, if I say str3, you will get, according to your logic, it is going to
Yes,
be Hydra, I guess. Yes or no?
yes, sir. Yes,
Means here lies one answer. You may be some students may get temptation that sir, you changed str3, you joined with str4, the result is Hyderabad, that's why str3 should contain Hyderabad. A simple example is, see, even the early example, we changed str1. See here, is it modified or not? Str1 is modified?
yes,
No,
sir.
str1 is not modified. That is the thing.
Yes,
You may be saying yes, but it is not modified. If it is modified, if you are saying yes, you should answer, oh, you have to get str1 means capital bat you have to get. Then why you are saying yes? Is str1 modified? Is
yes, sir.
str1 modified?
Flow వచ్చేసింది
Ah, now you are
output.
saying no. See, str1 is not modified.